Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is how you can remove ad suitability restriction on YouTube partner program. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our tutorials and subscribe Computer Geeks. If you are a YouTuber or you are going to upload any video on your YouTube channel, and when you turn on your monetization, the system automatically checks your content, your title, description, tags, and material, and imposes a check for ad suitability on limited ads. This means the ads will not run on your videos and you cannot earn from those ads. You have no need to worry about these types of ad suitability checks. These are quite common restrictions. When you upload a YouTube video, the YouTube algorithms automatically checks the video title, description, tags, and content, and imposes some sort of bans for ad suitability program and explains that this video is not suitable for all types of ads. You have no need to apply any sort of trick which is anti against the policy of YouTube program. So just carefully, the first thing is check your content. You need to check your title, description, tags, and also content of your uploading video. This should be your own and according to YouTube policy. Then in checks tab of YouTube Creator Studio, you need to request a manual review for this check. Request a manual review. So you need to review your checks. In couple of days, the answer will be okay for YouTube video and you can run all types of ads for your program. So let's going to check the tutorial. As you can see, the ad suitability restriction is on for Geek 41, which is going to publish soon. We will go and check again in detail for review. Click on that specific video. In monetization tab, I have on my monetization, but system has some checks, some limitations. Automatically ads will not display on this video. So we are going to review. You can learn more in checks tab. Copyright is okay and ad suitability is on. This is quite normal when you need to just request a review for ad suitability. You have no need to do anything because in request review this will be okay. You need to check your title carefully, content and tag. After manual review request from YouTube partner program, you need to just wait for 2 or 3 working days because YouTube will check your video content whether it's suitable for all types of ad or not. So you need to just wait. After 2 or 3 working days, I have got a mail. This one for congratulations. Hi Computer Geeks. Great news. After manually reviewing your video, we have determined that it's suitable for all types of ads. So you need to just wait for this type of email so that you can run all types of ad on your video. After that, we are going to check in also content channel settings. Now this is that specific key which has YouTube restrictions. Now this is cleared and I can post all type of ad on that specific video. Let's have a look on this. Now going to monetization is on. I can run all types of ad. Then we are going to check. So no copyright check and ad suitability, no issue found. They have manually checked my video, my content, my title, descriptions, each and everything, my thumbnail, and decided that this video is suitable for all types of ad and relieve the check for ad suitability. In this way, you can Review your request for ad suitability checks. Thanks guys for watching and learning.